Over how much distance can we transmit digital audio without loss of quality? Now this is a globe, and we know that we can send the sound clearly to the other end of the world. Even we are sending thousands of kilometers away from the earth crust also. That means we can transmit digital audio without loss of quality to an infinite distance, because the resources we have, the resources can be the disk space, resources can be the channel of communication, the different parts, instrument, everything which you combine. So that is the only limitation. Otherwise, digital audio can be sent without loss of quality to infinite distance you want. This is a very tricky question. That is why this question is generally asked in interviews. That so you will answer in some limitation, say thousands, say 100 kilometers. No. For example, microwave 50 kilometer is the range. So you have to use a repeater so that it goes beyond that distance. Every 50 kilometers you have to have a repeater.